Tanabe air compressor water cooled. In doing maintenance and check-up in your machineries, you must turn off the breaker and put caution signs. Open up the crankcase, check up the condition of the oil, the connecting rod, turning the flywheel, and check out for any debris falling in the crankcase. Cleaning the filter by air. Check up also the unloader solenoid valve. This one will open to release the back pressure. After we're ready for the safety alarm. Lobe oil, low pressure clip. Reset to run again the compressor for another test. Discharge air, high temp clip. There's a few seconds delay in this alarm. Cooling water high temperature trip. We add additional oil in the crankcase. And now ready for the service again.